In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the seals in a Dixon O-ring swivel joint. The pressure seal and the dust seal are wear items and must be changed periodically to maintain optimal performance. To perform this seal replacement on Dixon O-ring swivel joints, you will need the following: a flathead screwdriver, a 5/16 wrench or socket for the grease plug, application appropriate grease. A magnetic pick is useful for helping to remove carbon steel ball bearings. Something to catch small parts like ball bearings is highly recommended. As for the grease you will need, it may depend on the application. The standard grease in most Dixon swivel joints is a quality lithium grease common in many industrial applications. If you are unsure, please consult with our customer service team. The part number etched on your swivel joint will help us determine what grease that unit left our factory with. As always, Dixon recommends that you follow your company's safety and PPE guidelines for performing repairs like this. The O-ring swivel joint seal replacement requires the unit be fully removed from service for disassembly and reassembly. Before you remove from service and start disassembling the swivel joint, it is a good idea to verify that your seal replacement kit is labeled with the correct seal materials for your application and that the necessary parts are included. For O-ring swivel joints, the seal replacement kit should include the following items: 1 O-ring for the pressure seal, 1 O-ring for the dust seal, 1 replacement grease fitting in case one is lost or broken. While many swivels include 2 grease fittings, it is typically not necessary to replace both. If extra grease fittings are needed, please contact the Dixon customer service team. 2 replacement ball bearing retaining screws, 10 extra ball bearings in case a few roll away during this repair. The O-ring swivel joint replacement procedure is as follows. Step 1. Remove the ball retainer screws. Rotate the sleeve, catching the ball bearings as they fall out. When all the ball bearings have been removed, the body and sleeve can be separated. Discard old seals and thoroughly clean the body and sleeve. This is a good time to inspect the ball races and the ball bearings for any abnormal wear or damage. Step 2. Install the new O-rings on the sleeve. Dust seal to the rear and pressure seal up the front. Step 3. Lubricate the body and sleeves with grease. Step 4. Insert the sleeves into the body. Slowly rotate the sleeve while inserting it into the body. Step 5. When the sleeve is fully inserted, feed the ball bearings into the raceways while rotating the sleeve. To make space for the balls, insert a screwdriver into the raceway while continuing to rotate the sleeve in one direction. Be careful not to damage the threads. This will cause the balls to jam up, making room for the remaining balls. Now reverse the rotation of the sleeve and insert the remaining balls. Step 6. Reinstall the ball retaining set screw until tight. If this interferes with the smooth rotation of the ball bearings, then back off 1/8 to 1/4 turn. A thread locking sealant is recommended to prevent screws from backing off while in service. Pressure testing is recommended prior to returning the swivel joint to service. Keep in mind that Dixon does not recommend mixing O-ring swivel joint bodies and sleeves once they have been in service. If you are working on more than one unit at a time, keep the sets together as originally assembled. This will ensure the best fit upon reassembly and optimal performance once returned to service. If needed, this may be a good time to clean and repaint any carbon steel or malleable iron parts to help protect them from the elements. Once the O-ring swivel joint seal replacement is completed along with testing, the unit can be put back into service. If you have any questions or any concerns along the way of your rebuild, do not hesitate to contact our Dixon customer service team. We're here to assist you.